In this video, we're going to solve for the value of x. So how we're going to achieve that? We have a right angle triangle whose sides have been mentioned. We have this to be A, B, and C. And then we have in the angles, we have 2x, we have x, x. We are going to look for the value of x. So how we're going to do this? We're going to sum up all the angles in this triangle. So we have the first one to be 2x. So that 2x is going to sum up with x plus x. And then what are we supposed to equate it with? We already know that sum of angle in a triangle is 180 degrees. So we're going to add it up to 180 degrees. So what is the next step? We're going to sum up this. Is 2x plus x gives us 3x plus x gives us 4x. So we have 4x here equal to 180 degrees. So what is the next thing we're looking for? We are looking for the value of x. So we have to divide both sides by 4. And if we do that, what will be left is x. So x now at this point will be equal to 4 goes into 180 will be 45 times. So we have here to be 45 degrees. Are we sure if this is correct? So this option is supposed to be C. But let's check if it is correct. If this value of x, if here is 45 degrees and here is 45 degrees, that means 45 plus 45 will give us 90. And if this x here is 45, 2 multiplied by 45 will also give us 90. So 90 plus the 90 we have here, that will be 180. And that justifies that this particular one is correct. So that's why we say sum of angle in a triangle is 180 degrees. So this 45 is correct. And the option here is C. Please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel.